So when you go to account top up, you're gonna input my promo code, which is Emma. You can see that when you deposit $100, you will receive $150 on your account just because you use my promo code. So don't forget to do that. Hi, my beautiful friends. This is Emma. You are back on my YouTube channel. And this is where I trade, I have fun, and I share all my journeys with you. I see that you really like the mistakes and lessons format. So this is what today's session is going to be. We're going to explore the world of trading from the point of view of the average trader, the one who kind of knows what he's doing, but not at the level where you really can make the consistent profits and make the most out of it. And if you want to get to the next level of the game, I got it covered for you. I have an amazing Telegram channel. The link is below. Check it out, because that is the place where I put together highly effective strategies, unique signals, the insights, and basically all the knowledge I have on trading is out there for you, so you don't make mistakes other traders do, and you actually get the best profits quickly and efficiently. So don't forget to check it out, and let's jump into it. I'm going to be sticking with candles and M1, and I'm going to be using a couple different tools as usually. Zigzag, there we have the downtrend channels and the moving averages. All right, but also last but not least, a rune. Here we go. And now let's adjust it all accordingly, so it's going to be really helpful to us. And I always talk about how important these settings and adjustments are, because you want to make sure it really paints you the clear picture of what is happening on the market and what's going on. So don't skip that step. That's the fundamental base of every trading session. All right, right there. Here we go. Beautiful. Alrighty, and I'm starting with $120. Yep, that's right. So let's take a look. Well, I can see that the asset is oversold right now, so I'm expecting a small technical rebound upward. So I'm gonna go for a call option in this case. And since I don't have any other alternative, that's gonna be a long one. Yes. I always wanted to go to Coachella when it was, still a big thing. I think now it's kind of dying down in terms of hype, but I never really got a chance to do that because of the time didn't work out, and some of my friends couldn't go with me, so I never actually went. But I love these outfits. $230 as the first profit. I also love this, I gotta tell you. I think it's a great result right off the start. All right, next one. Yeah, that seems like a good asset pair. So now I'm gonna place $230 for this next one. And let's see. Let's take a second and actually analyze the market situation. Okay, I think I know what's going on. So basically, the price hasn't been able to break through the middle line of the channel, and both zigzag and the moving averages indicate a short in here. And a rune oscillator also supports a short, so that is going to be a put option. 100%, this is going down. So let's wait for it. So meanwhile, yes, today my outfit is totally inspired by Coachella. And another thing you have to know about me, I freaking love oversized. So this blouse, or more like a tunic, a dress, it's extra large, and I'm not size extra large typically. The way it's flowing, I just love it. $441, 60 cents. Pam, pam, pam. This is going really good. Okay, I love the results so far. Okay, next asset pair. And I'm gonna place 442 for this next one. And take a closer look. Okay, so the price bounces off the support level at 0.93. And we also see breakthrough of the moving averages, which is a strong signal for growth. And that is a call option. Let's go for long and enjoy the results. What do you think about these famous music festivals? Drop a line in the comments. I really want to know which one you went to, which one you want to go to. I think festivals are great. Planning to do it more. Ooh, $848. Da-da-da-da. We are getting really close to 1K, and that is a sign. Okay, next asset pair. And I'm gonna add something here, which is going to help us analyze. And okay, I'm ready for the next beat. $848 it is. And take a look at what's happening. So this rectangle on the chart, which I drew, it indicates a sideways trend. And the price has reached the lower boundary, so I am expecting a bounce upwards. This sideways movement is going to go up. So that is time for a call option. Let's do it. Yes, $1,628. I am doing really good. Let's do the next move. 1,000 I'm gonna place right now. Yes, right there. And okay, I can see that we are having a strict uptrend right this moment. The zigzag, moving averages, and the upper channel boundary, they all support growth. So it's definitely a call option, 100%. Yes, bam, 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 going up. That is exciting. That is really, really exciting. No, what's going on here? Why is it dropping? Shoot. I lost it, guys. I did not account for the oscillator readings, which showed the asset was overbought, causing a decline. And that was my biggest mistake. Okay, I really want to make things right, so I'm going to pick up the new asset pair and hope this time it's going to work out. $628 is going to be my next beat. And let's see. Okay. Well, according to the zigzag and the moving averages, we are currently in an uptrend, and I'm expecting a breakout of the resistance at 0.63. So I'm gonna go for a long option here and pray that it's working. I think it should work. So the thing about the average trader is not that he is necessarily bad. It's more about he doesn't take into account some really important things. And if you don't want to be that regular average trader, you gotta check out my TG channel, because there I teach you how to pay attention to everything that's important. So you can get that consistent profits every time. $1,205 I just made. Okay, well done. I'm feeling better, much better. All right, the new asset pair it is. Let's see. Okay, well, I'm gonna place 1,000 right now because I really wanna get that profit. And take a look. The zigzag and the moving averages are indicating growth, and I think we gotta enter for a call option here, and also the upper channel boundary. Like, I think it's definitely time to go for a long, so let's go for a long. Ah, no, it happened again. This is really frustrating, like really frustrating. But you know what happened? This same freaking mistake happened again. The very same. the asset was once again overbought. And if I would paid attention to that condition, which was visible on the Arun, I would have been fine. But I entered on the Candlesticks, which was too risky. But as an average trader, I don't really do the risk assessment management. I just go for it because, you know, if a couple different tools are telling me the same thing, I'm like, yes, eyes on the goals. And I'm just going straight to it without questioning my decisions. And then that's what happens. The negative result, a lot of frustration and a lot of adrenaline trying to get that profit, which I came for. And that results in just more mistakes. And the best way to avoid those mistakes is to check your emotional regulation, pay attention to every instrument you're using. And that is why it's so important to use different instruments at the same time, because they all paint a big picture. And you just gotta know how to read them. So for that and for many other reasons, I highly recommend you to check my TG channel. The link is going to be below, so you don't make the same mistakes and you don't lose money and you only gain money and make those consistent profits every time you trade, because that's what I teach you in my TG channel. With my strategies and my knowledge and my past mistakes that I analyze and I break it down for you, you are going to be thriving in the world of trading, and you're going to take your game to the next level, the pro level. And that's what we want, right? Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, for supporting my journey, and for subscribing to my channel. I love you so much, and you're truly wonderful. Thank you for being you, and I will see you really soon, okay? Bye.